In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add one contact to Smartsheet. Let's get started right from the Smartsheet homepage. First, open your browser and go to the Smartsheet homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you land on your home screen. This is your main dashboard where you can see your recent sheets, workspaces, and other resources. On the home screen, look towards the top of the page for the area where your account options and settings are located. Depending on your setup, this might be near your profile picture, your initials, or a menu icon. You'll see a small section or menu where you can manage personal settings and contacts. Click on the highlighted option there that opens your personal settings or account area. From that menu, you'll see an option labeled My Smartsheet Contacts. This is where Smartsheet stores the people you frequently work with, so you can easily share sheets, assign tasks, and send updates. Go ahead and click on My Smartsheet Contacts to open your contact list. Once the My Smartsheet Contacts window opens, you'll see a list of any contacts you've already added, along with some controls at the top. In the search or input area that's highlighted, you can type to quickly filter or find specific contacts. For now, just be aware of that field. It's useful later when your list gets longer and you need to find someone quickly. You'll also see options to import and export contacts. These are helpful if you manage a larger group of people. Click on Import Contacts if you ever want to bring in multiple contacts from another source, such as your email or a file. This can save you time instead of entering each person one by one. Similarly, there is an option labeled Export Contacts. Clicking on Export Contacts lets you download or back up your contact list, which is useful if you want to keep a copy outside of Smartsheet or move your contacts to another system. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding just one contact manually. To do that, look for the Add button in the My Smartsheet Contacts window. This is usually near the top or side of the contact list. When you're ready, click on Add. That will open the form where you can enter the person's details and save them as a new contact in Smartsheet, ready to be used in your projects and sheets.